Hey everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean here. We're just on a solar panel clean doing, this is a commercial clean. They've got panels right across the property. Just remember that panels do need to be cleaned. There's a video on their YouTube site as well, which is panels, solar panels self-cleaning. That's where I actually show you firsthand how they are not. Now I'm just going to show you this because it's nice and transparent. We're going to just start cleaning half of this panel here, so you can actually visually see. You can see all that dirt, okay, just reeling off. Now, dirt and grime in general will absolutely inhibit the efficiency of these panels. And these panels, you probably know from when you had your installation done, you can see the difference in the color and texture between that section that's not clean and that is. These panels are all on string inverters, okay? So they are all part of a string. So if part of the panel is shaded, or if part of some of the panels are dirty, all the panels operate at that lesser efficiency. So it's very important that you consider that when you're looking at or having your panels cleaned. You need to make sure they're all cleaned together so that you have maximum efficiency operating. And just remember, all of us, or most of us generally, will install solar panels for the purpose of saving money, and maintaining these panels is an important part of that journey of getting that return on investment. Hope that's helpful, and check out our other videos on the YouTube channels so you can actually get a feeling for the other exterior cleaning work we do. Hope you enjoyed watching.